Don't forget to subscribe to the Ahmed Makki vlogs and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
So we're taking off from here now, and it's going for a good climb, about 34,000 feet, I believe. It's going to be the cruise altitude, and I'm missing home. You have no idea. I'm missing home a lot. Leaving family behind is a whole new thing.
We have just crossed Pathankot about 1 minute ago, and shortly we'll be flying past Amritsar on the right. We'll fly past, almost overfly Jalandhar, and then fly past Bathinda, where we'll turn left for arrival in Delhi. At this altitude, we are getting a good ground speed of about 800 kilometers per hour. And the outside air temperature is minus 35 degrees Celsius. We're regulating to about 24 degrees in the cabin for your comfort. Ladies and gentlemen, just to take a few more minutes and explain to you the pains and the efforts that AirAsia is taking to make your trip and travel safe. All of AirAsia India's aircraft, which is a Airbus 320 fleet, are equipped with something called high efficiency particulate arrestor or HEPA filters. What these filters do is they filter out about 99.99% of all the dust particles and any airborne contaminants like viruses and bacteria also. So the environment in the cabin is almost like that in a hospital surgical room. What these filters also do is that they give a constant downwash to the air that you're getting, and this minimizes cross contamination and also keeps the air circulated every 3 minutes. But no matter what pains we take and or the effort we put on the equipment of the aircraft, I would still advise you that you maintain your mask and face shields during the flight, and once we disembark in Delhi, please follow the instructions of the cabin crew for our own safety. Thank you and have a pleasant stay in Delhi.
So you just heard the captain say that the Airbus A320 uses a filter which is known as the HEPA filter, because this is one of the filters that actually filters the air, the circulation air in the cabin of the aircraft. That is one of the things, and it was a thing since a long time, but it's not assured that it's gonna keep the virus away. It's just only going to keep like 99.99% of the germs and viruses or bacterial particles away. But still, we need to take our own precautions. And this was a briefing from a captain, which is not a very usual phenomenon on an Indian domestic flight usually. So it's good to hear a captain speak and explain where we are exactly. So we have crossed about Pathankot a minute. I think now it's been over 3 to 4 minutes ago. And we're crossing over Jalandhar city. And from Bathinda onwards, we're going to take a turn because Delhi is usually a no-fly zone. So there's a lot of spots in Delhi which is a no-fly zone. So that's the reason that the airplane is going to go all the way around, heading towards the IGI, which is the Indira Gandhi International Airport. And it's going to arrive Delhi in a couple of minutes now. Not really far away. This is Gurugram, and this is the IGI Airport. So here we are, 20 to 25 minutes away. ET. There goes the air brakes. A little bit of turbulences coming across, I believe. Apparently it's about to rain in Delhi or something. There's a lot of clouds hovering over Delhi region, so that's the reason the captain is just trying to take us away from the clouds to avoid turbulences on the flight. Trust me, that was a very bad landing, and it's raining over here. That was a crazy landing of the pilot. Whoa, what did he just do, man? He just rammed it. Flap 3, not a good deal. See that? He just rammed the airplane, the landing gears just went like zoop. Hit the ground so hard. I wasn't expecting it to be so hard, man. Should be a soft landing. It was a hard landing. Anyways, thank God we are back safe in Delhi. I never had such a hard landing in my life ever. I wouldn't say that was the problem of the pilot, but I think he came in too fast. It was about 180 knots. 140 knots is the required amount of speed that you require to land. So I'm not planning to get down quickly. Let me take my sweet time. I don't want to get the crowd simply for no reason. The airport seems to be so quiet. Not a lot of people over here. This is basically the international airport, and it's empty. Literally empty. And that was my flight, AirAsia. I'm just trying to be away from the crowd, maintaining social distancing policies. The temperature in Delhi is about 33 degrees, that's what they say. But I feel it's cold. Maybe it's because I'm in the airport. Probably that could be a reason. So I wish the airport was like this every time. Less amount of crowd, less amount of people. But at times it's good, and at times it's kind of crazy. The airport is actually huge, and you gotta walk a lot to get out of the airport terminal. I'm almost there now, about I think half a kilometer now. Let me book my cab. So finally I'm in the cab heading towards home. The travel, to be honest, was a hassle-free kind of travel. Of course, because there was not a lot of people at the airport, so that I believe that's one of the reasons. But accounting these factors, And if there's a lot more people, I think it's going to be a challenging task for the security forces at the airport and the security personnel and the people working at the airport. But as of now, everything seems to be fine because there's not a lot of departure and arrivals of airplanes. But social distancing still is not kind of a priority at the airport yet. So hopefully in the near future, maybe the government can do something about it. So Delhi, same old, nothing different. The weather in Delhi seems to be quite favorable. It's not really hot, it's not really that cold either. It's kind of pleasant somewhere in between, but the humidity over here is on the higher side. All of a sudden it started to rain heavy. Thank you. What's up? Hi guys, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hey, welcome back to Delhi.
So finally we are at home and Buster is just cleaning up my bag. Cleaning up is going on. Sanitizing basically.
Buster has made the house look so amazing. So that is our workspace over there that we have. We got a fridge and everything over here. That's the bedroom. Oh my God! Look at that! We got a huge room space. Wow, amazing, man. The way that he has organized everything. And this is our workstation, our place that we're living in. Quickly, I'm gonna change up, gonna eat something. I'm having a little bit of minor headache because I haven't had anything. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. Till then, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to be a part of the family. Take care, bye-bye, love, peace. Hey, by the way, stay safe, all right? Bye-bye.